Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure financial management with FreshBooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the FreshBooks website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your basic information such as your name, email, and password. Once registered, log into your FreshBooks account. Begin by setting up your business profile in the dashboard. Input your business name, address, and contact information accurately. Select your currency and tax settings to match your location. Next, navigate to the Invoices section. Create a new invoice by clicking the New Invoice button. Customize the invoice by adding your company logo and colors. Add your client's details, including their name and email address. List your products or services along with descriptions and prices. Set payment terms to ensure clients know when payments are due. Preview the invoice to check for accuracy before sending. Once satisfied, click on Send Invoice to email it directly to your client. Monitor invoice status in the Invoices section to track payments. Move on to the Expenses tab to manage your spending. Add expenses by clicking New Expense and entering the details. Categorize expenses for better organization and reporting. Utilize the Reports section to gain insights into your financial performance. Generate profit and loss statements, tax summaries, or sales reports as needed. Review your financial reports regularly to stay on top of your business health. Ensure that you reconcile your accounts by linking your bank or credit card. This feature allows for automatic importing of transactions. Set reminders for bill payments to avoid late fees. Utilize the time tracking feature if you bill clients by the hour. Log time efficiently for accurate billing and record keeping. Explore the Projects section for managing multiple clients or tasks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.